So nice. Do it again. Okay. Beautiful. Do you want to do the somersault now? Yay!
Yay! Yay!
What about the flamingo legs? Very good.
This is a penguin.
And oh, flamingo legs and spinning together. You're doing your flamingo legs and spinning together?
First person.
First position. Very good. Plie. Wow.
This is the first person.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when your heels, and that's plie. Very good.
My heels.
Yeah, have your heels kiss.
And dumpy.
And jumping.
And
Woo! And spinning.